Trying out TikTok treats.
I got the chicken ice cream. Ooh, and I got mad flavors of these. And the freeze-dried Skittles. So we're gonna try them.
Let's go.
Hold on, we all about to taste it. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Bite into it. Oh, okay.
To do ASMR. You got a little bit of chocolate in there.
It's kind of weird.
I like it.
Yeah, it tastes weird.
Look at the bone.
What kind of
The bone is chocolate.
I see the chocolate. I see the chocolate. Oh.
Scale of 1 to 10.
Solid 9.
8.
Yeah, I'm also gonna give it an
8.
8.
8.
I'm going to take a 9.
It's your turn.
I just can't bite
You
it.
got 10?
This is 10 out of 10 ice cream for numerous reasons.
I'm gonna say.
He got to describe it about to go.
Alright, so this one is pineapple. It smells like a regular pickle with a little bit of pineapple. 3.
I can't eat the whole thing.
Literally.
I actually like it. It's actually pretty good.
So like a guilty pleasure, like.
Alright, this one is Bombalicious Blue. It still just smell pickly to me. Like none of them smell like Jolly Ranchers like y'all be saying. 1.
I don't like that.
-4.
I don't like that one.
Ew.
I actually like this one.
It tastes like, y'all remember that sour spray that you spray on your tongue, that candy?
Yep.
That's what that tastes like.
Yeah, I like that.
This one is Ghetto Punch, and it smells like Kool-Aid. It smells good. 1.
I can't pick it up. I like this one.
This is good.
Next one.
Yeah.
This one smells just like this is Applicious. This smells just like apple Jolly Ranchers.
What? You missed it.
He likes this one.
I actually like it.
That's good.
You missed
Who should
it.
have ate this one?
This one?
Alright, ooh, this one is Bustin' Berry. It smells like a marker. I'm gonna eat it though. Oh, sorry, who's who won?
Crayon.
This one is Strawberry. I don't know. Like everything smells like a preschool. This smells like Elmer's glue.
Ready?
3,
I'm not ready.
2, 1.
The smacking
I like
noise.
Everybody is smacking.
That was pretty good.
Once you
It's
hear
only 3 more.
just know.
It's only 3 more.
That was
It kind of tastes like a strawberry Jolly Rancher. It was good.
sweet.
It was okay.
It just tastes sweet.
This watermelon.
This dress is from Shein.
It smelled like. It smelled kind of like, I don't know, school again. 3, 2, 1.
That's smacking so
You
hard.
are not. It's good.
Why he running?
I didn't even taste it yet. All I had to do was smell it, and I can tell.
It's really good. Cherry. It smells good. It smell like cherries, like the artificial like cherry fragrance. It smells like that. 2, 1. This is good.
This one?
Yo, she's
Okay.
This tastes like annihilator.
A cherry one. Like the red Laffy Taffy.
This
That
one
was
was good.
Is that one free?
All right, we trying the freeze-dried Skittles.
Freeze-dried?
Yeah.
Shit is cereal.
Oh my god.
I see why